Alright guys, so in this video I want to show you how to verify emails. Okay, how you can verify any kind of email for your business. So if you're into cold email marketing, or maybe you're into email marketing and you really want to learn how to verify email addresses, then you should watch this video because I'm going to show you free softwares that you can use to verify email addresses absolutely for free. So I remember some few weeks back I made this video here teaching you how to use ChatGPT to generate over 100,000 leads in a week. If you are still struggling to learning how to build your own email list, then you should come and watch this video. I really think you should watch this video because I showed you detailedly on how to use ChatGPT absolutely for free to start generating leads for your business. But one of the things I didn't get to disclose was how to verify all the email addresses that you'll be getting from ChatGPT, right? So that is the reason why I'm shooting out this video, to show you guys how to do it appropriately, and also 7 free tools that you can use when it comes to verifying your email addresses. Okay, I want to make you guys understand that some of the reasons why you might not be getting a good conversion from your email list is because you might be sending mails to dead email addresses, okay, which is not very so good. It is not good. It can really affect your reputation, and it can also make you frustrated because you'll be sending emails and nobody's responding, no one is opening. It means some of the times you send these emails, okay, they might be going into a wrong folder, or somebody or anyone doesn't have access to that email address again. So you want to make sure you verify your email addresses. And now, for you to verify your email addresses, no other way to do it than to use softwares. Okay, it's not something you can do manually, because trying to do it manually is going to really take your time, and I don't think it's really possible for you to verify emails manually. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be making use of certain softwares that would help you, all right, make it so easy, faster for you to verify email addresses. And you know, when you come to the online space, we have so many email marketing services like this one here that basically costs $350 just to make use of. That's to show you how important it is when it comes to you verifying email addresses. Okay, but I'm going to share with you 7 free softwares that you can use to verify email addresses. So it doesn't really matter what kind of device you are making use of, maybe a laptop, maybe you're making use of a smartphone, you can still verify your email addresses online. Okay, so I want you to follow me. Okay, so the next one you can actually come and check out right now is, if you have money to spend, okay, if you have money to invest in certain softwares, you can come over to skyextractor.com and you can basically order for this free software. So it's something I make use of, all right, and I tell you it is super. You want to come here and actually get yourself a software, and you can use this software to verify your email addresses. So with that all said, everything I've said is to give you clarity on reasons why you should be able to verify your email addresses, and also now you have access to get this software for what, a penny. You can get this software for a penny, skyextractor.com, and you can use this to what, verify any email address of your choice. Okay, now let's head over to the free softwares that you can use in verifying your email addresses. Number one of it is known as Hunter.io. Basically, Hunter.io is a free tool, a paid tool rather. It's a paid tool, but you can access their what, verification, email verification tool absolutely for free. So you don't have to spend a dime here on the site. Come over to Hunter.io and you can start verifying any email address of your choice. So let's say I want to put in my email address here. Let's say I put in my email address, and let me just check that out and see if my email address is still valid, which of course it is still valid. So let me just click on verify and let's see how it's going to work out for us. So Hunter.io is a free AI free software that you can use, okay, in verifying email addresses. So let's just wait for it to, you can see that the email address is valid. You can see everything about it is valid. So basically you can see this software does what it says. Okay, you can use this to verify email addresses of any kind. Okay, so that is the first software I want to share with you, Hunter.io. Number 2 software here is verifyemailaddress.org. You can use this tool to also verify your email address, so you don't have to pay any money, you don't have to pay anything. You can use this free software to basically verify email addresses. So all you have to do is just put in the number of email addresses that you want to verify, and automatically this software is going to run on every email address and make sure that it gives you the one that is valid and separate it from the ones that are not valid. So you can come over to verifyemailaddress.org and you can use this software for free, and you can use it to verify email addresses. So another one you can use is known as breadcrumbs.io. Breadcrumbs.io also is an they work in the email marketing industry, which actually helps entrepreneurs like you and I do well with cleaning our list and all of that. So you want to actually check them out, and you can see that you can use this tool absolutely for free as well. So you want to come over to breadcrumbs.io to verify your email addresses. I'm doing this because I see many of you ask me for videos on how to verify, and I realize that you cannot verify your emails real properly if you don't really have a good amount of money to invest in software. So I had to take my time to make sure I try out all the softwares and make sure that they are working fine before I come here and I share them with you. Okay, so if you don't have money to spend, or maybe you don't want to spend money, all right, you can just use this free these free softwares to verify your email addresses. So come over to breadcrumbs.io and you can basically put any email address here and it's going to verify. So let's just check out this one and let's see what happens. So it says wait, we're going to wait for a bit, and it's going to run through the email address to make sure that it is valid. So these are simple ways you can use in validating your email addresses. So you can see that the status is valid and the score is 80, which is absolutely fine, which is very okay, because anything less than 50 is bad. Yeah, anything less than 50 is bad. So 80 is super cool. So you can come over to breadcrumbs.io to verify your email addresses. And another tool you can make use of is verifier.com. Okay, come over to verifier.com. You can use this free AI tool also to verify your email addresses. It is simple and very easy to use, so you don't have to worry about a thing. Come over to verifier.com to verify your email addresses as well. And another one you can use as well is known as Zerobounce.net. So if you're looking for a super email verifying tool, you can make use of Zerobounce.net to verify your email addresses. But for this site, you basically need to create your free account. Why? Because for everything that you'll be doing, it's going to be recorded on their server. All right, your document, your email address, whatever thing that you are verifying would be help you stored on the cloud base. So even if you lose it, you can come back and you can still have access to it. So come over to Zerobounce.net to create your free account, and you can use this software to start verifying email addresses. So another one you can make use of too is known as GetProspect.com. So if you want to make use of GetProspect.com, you need to basically sign in, and you can see that you can verify up to 200 email addresses absolutely for free instantly. So when you create your free account, instantly you can verify 200 email addresses at a go. So once you complete 200, you're going to wait for a while and do another 200. So it's a very good software that you can use to verify your email addresses. And lastly, guys, I want to talk about the software which is known as Proofio.io. Okay, Proofio.io is an email verifier or tool that you can use in verifying email addresses. So if you want to find out more details about this site, I really recommend you go over to their own page and make sure you read through and see how helpful they can be when it comes to helping you verify your email addresses. So if you don't have money to spend on paid tools to verify your email address, which is very important, you can make use of the 7 free verification tool I just talked about. All right, and they would serve their purpose and they would help you verify your email addresses absolutely for free, guys. So thank you so much. I needed to make this so quick so you guys can come across this site quickly and you guys can start using them in verifying your email addresses. So if you found value from this video, please make sure you smash the like button, and also if you are yet to subscribe, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, because I've got load of many other content coming up soon after this one. So catch you in my next video. Bye.